Let's first try to understand what is the absolute value of x. So in your minds, what does absolute value of x do? Makes whatever you put in positive, right? Now the important question is, how does it do that? So it does it mathematically. It doesn't go magic and then it doesn't turn into positive that way, okay? What's the mathematical operation it does to turn any number into positive? So if you put in a positive number, it's already positive, okay? So if x is positive or equal to 0, it doesn't do anything. It just leaves it. And it removes the absolute value sign because, hey, it's already positive. What does it do to negative numbers? Sorry? Yeah, it multiplies by -1. And that's symbolized this way. Minus of whatever the input is. So if x is negative, it does that. That's what it means. Okay? So for y equals root of x, right? Look, if x is equal to 1, 2, 3 positive numbers, it's gonna just look like this. Okay, it's gonna look like that. But if x equals, for example, -1, we get this, which turns into this. So it gives you 1. Okay, look. If it's positive number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks exactly like a normal function. Like this. Okay? But when it's -1, without the absolute value, it will be undefined. But now, because of this absolute value, it turns it into +1. We get, at -1, we get 1. At -4, we'll get 2. Like that. This is the graph of y is equal to absolute value of x. So y is equal to root of absolute value of x. Now let's consider this one. Hey, if we square root any number, right? What's the result? Can the result of a square root of a number be negative? You can't, right? This is always greater than or equal to 0. So is there any point in putting the absolute value around it? Does it do anything? The absolute value will not do anything to it because it's already positive. Okay, so look, there's a huge contrast. They look very similar, right? This one has a root and an absolute value. This one has an absolute value and a root. But because it's outside, it doesn't do anything. So it'll just look like this. Okay? It'll just look like that.